Let box 6 be the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then at which of the following points the function fx is discontinuous? So what is the function? If you write down, the function is fx equal to x into cosine of, if you multiply it will be box 6 into pi plus pi x. Now box 6 is what? It is an integer. Box 6 is an integer. So it is of the form x cosine integral multiple of pi plus pi x, where n belongs to integer. And we know that cos of n pi plus theta, whenever n is an even multiple of pi, when n is an even multiple of when n is an even integer, then cos n pi plus theta will be what? Cos even multiple of pi plus theta will be cos theta. And when n is odd, cos of odd multiple of pi plus theta will be minus cos theta. So we can directly define two cases here. That is, it will be x cos pi x when box 6 is even. Box 6 is even integer, and it will be minus x cos pi x for box 6 is odd integer. Clear? Because cos of even multiple of pi plus theta is cos theta, and cos of odd multiple of pi plus theta is minus cos theta. So as for that, the function will change. Now at these 4 points I need to discuss about the continuity. So let us discuss the nature of the function in the neighborhood. So if you write down the 4 points, say -1, 0, 1, 2, and let us take -2 here and 3 here. Let us define the function here. If we define the function here, between -2 to -1, between -2 to -1, you see that box value, we know here box value is -2, -1 to 0 box value is -1, 0 to 1 box value is 0, 1 to 2 box value is 1, and 2 to 3 box value is 2. Okay. So accordingly I can define the function. When box 6 is even, it is x cos pi x. When box 6 is odd, it is minus x cos pi x. So if you write down the definition, you see here box 6 is even, so it will be x cos pi x within this interval. Here box 6 is odd, it will be minus x cos pi x. Box 6 is even, so it will be x cos pi x. Box 6 is odd, minus x cos pi x. Again box 6 is even, so x cos pi x. So like that it is going to proceed. Okay. Now if you check that where the function is discontinuous, that means LHL and RHL are not equal. LHL is not equal to RHL. Now like if you take an example, say -1. At -1 what is happening? At x equal to -1, what is LHL? For LHL we have to put -1 here. If I put -1 here, answer is 1. And what is RHL? For RHL you have to put -1 here on the right hand side definition. Here if you substitute -1, it will be just the negative value of that. So LHL will not be equal to RHL. So it will be discontinuous point. It will be point of discontinuity. Next, at x equal to 0 if you check, to the left of 0, here it will substitute x equal to 0. So LHL will be 0 and RHL here also it will be 0. So LHL equal to RHL equal to 0. So it will be continuous at x equal to 0. Right? If you put 0 here and 0 here, the value is same only. Limiting value is same, 0. Again at x equal to 1, at x equal to 1 if you check, LHL here 1 will substitute. So LHL will be equal to -1. RHL, we need to substitute 1 here, that will be +1. So again it will be discontinuous. And finally at x equal to 2, at x equal to 2, LHL will be equal to, we have to put 2 here. So it will be -2, and RHL will be, we have to put 2 here, that will be +2. So again it will be discontinuous. So the function is discontinuous at -1, 1 and 2.